Welcome back everyone. I'm trying to shelter the GoPro from the wind. Welcome back everyone. So we've had some pretty huge rains. Greenwell Point's just basically turned to mud. But we're going to fish it anyway and see how we go. So what we did here is we just found a bit of a drop off from a sandbank and just sort of hopped our vibe over that drop off. And the lure you can see now is the one we used, and it's actually a McCallum's Tackle World exclusive lure. And as you can tell, we'd been fishing for a few hours and not caught a single fish, so Denise was very keen for us to land that fish.
Just focus on the fish. We're not losing the energy.
So the key thing that worked for us there was the crab scent was a huge part. The bream just absolutely love crab scent. And another big part of it as well was that lure. Especially if you've got a lot of wind or deep water like we had today, having a vibe that can really get down to those fish in the deep water and give you a bit more control over your lure was super important.